8 divided by 1 over 2 times 3. Hey, don't be too fast to say 5.33 is the answer, because division and multiplication has equal priority according to order of operation. Therefore, we are to work from left to right. That is, we solve the division before we solve the multiplication. So let's do it together. Using the KCF rule, KCF, K stands for keep, we are keeping the 8. C stands for change, we are changing this division to multiplication. F stands for flip, we are flipping 1 over 2 into 2 over 1 times 3. Now we have 8 times 2, which is 16, times 3. 16 times 3 is 48. So the correct answer to this equation is 48. I begin with division because I follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. You evaluate from left to right. You evaluate from left to right.